Hello and welcome to another tutorial on Chatzy AI. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to create a journey that automatically assigns incoming conversations to an AI agent. This means that whenever someone sends a message to your business on WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger, that conversation can be picked up by an AI agent who will reply based on how you've set it up. Let's first understand the business use case. Imagine you're running a campaign, maybe a click to WhatsApp ad or a QR code that opens your WhatsApp. As soon as a customer sends a message, instead of a human agent replying, an AI chatbot can take over and begin the conversation instantly. The chatbot can ask qualification questions, give product information, or help guide the lead through a process, all without your team needing to be online. The same applies to Instagram DMs and Messenger conversations. The AI agent here can be either a flow-based chatbot or a conversational AI agent. Both work well. Make sure that you've already created an AI agent before following this tutorial. You should also have your WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger channels connected, depending on where you expect conversations to start from. If you haven't done that yet, check out our earlier tutorials on channel setup and creating AI agents. Now, let's move into building this journey. First, go to the Journeys section from the left menu and click on Create Journey. Give your journey a name that helps you identify its purpose, like Assign to AI Agent. Although a ready-made template is available for this use case, but for this tutorial, we'll start from a blank template so you can learn the complete process. Even if you use a predefined template, you'll still need to configure the steps manually, so it's better that you follow along this tutorial first. After creating the journey, you'll enter the Journey Studio. The first thing you need to do is set a trigger. Click on Add Trigger and choose the trigger type Conversation. When you click on this node, its settings will appear on the right-hand side. Now, choose the channel where you want this journey to run. You can choose from WhatsApp, Instagram, or Messenger. For example, if you're running click to WhatsApp ads, choose WhatsApp. If you mainly get DMs on Instagram, choose Instagram. We'll pick WhatsApp here to explain. Next, you need to select when this journey should get triggered. There are 3 options. Conversation created. This means the journey will trigger every time a new conversation starts with a contact. For example, if a customer sends a message today, a new conversation gets created, and this journey runs. The conversation is assigned to an AI agent, and the customer chats with the bot. After the chat ends, the conversation is closed. Now, if the same customer messages again after a week, a new conversation gets created, and the journey runs again. So, every time a new conversation is created, this journey will keep running. First conversation created for contact. This option only works once, the very first time a contact ever messages you. Example, a new customer messages you on WhatsApp for the first time. This journey will run. But if they message you again later, even if it's a brand new conversation, the journey won't trigger again. This is useful when you only want to automate the experience for first-time users. We can skip the third one, Conversation Resumed, for now. Now let's talk about conditions. These let you fine-tune when the journey should actually run. Condition 1. Conversation created in response to a template message. This is only for WhatsApp. Let's say you're sending multiple template messages to customers. Maybe you are running multiple campaigns or running a lead nurture journey. Now you want. If a customer replies to a specific template, let's say the day 1 template AI agent, A should handle it. If a customer replies to the day 3 template AI agent, B should handle it. You can create 2 different journeys for this. In each journey, choose a different template message in the condition and set a time window, for example, within 24 hours of receiving the template message. So, if a customer replies after 24 hours, the journey won't trigger. In this way, you can satisfy your business requirement of assigning conversations to different chatbots based on which template the customer replies back on. Condition 2. Conversation created with a keyword. This lets you trigger a journey based on specific words in the customer's message. Example, you're sending a WhatsApp template with 2 quick reply buttons. Book appointment. tell me more. Now you want. If the customer replies with book appointment, assign it to the appointment booking AI agent. If they reply with tell me more, assign it to the product info AI agent. You can do this by creating two separate journeys. In the first journey, include the keyword book appointment, and in the second journey, include the keyword tell me more. In this way, you can satisfy your business requirement of assigning conversations to different chatbots based on what reply the customer has given. You can also use both the above two conditions together. Finally, you can also use the exclude keywords condition. Let's say you create Journey A to trigger only if the keyword is pricing. Then in Journey B, you exclude the keyword pricing, so it handles all other messages. This helps you route different types of customer intents to different AI agents automatically. When all three conditions are off, this is the default path. It means the journey will trigger on any conversation created, regardless of template or keyword. Example, a customer finds your WhatsApp number on your website and sends a general hi. No template involved, no keyword matched. In that case, if your journey doesn't have template or keyword filters enabled, it will still run. Once your trigger is fully configured, click the plus icon to add a new action. In this case, choose the action Assign to AI Agent. When the settings open on the right, you'll be able to select from your existing AI agents. Just pick the one that you want to handle these conversations. Make sure the AI agent is already set up with the logic or content it needs to respond appropriately. You can find separate tutorials on creating both conversational and flow-based agents. After assigning the agent, click on Save and then hit Publish to make the journey live. Now, let's test the journey. Send a test message to your business number on WhatsApp. If everything is set up correctly, you'll see that the AI chatbot begins to reply immediately. You can also go to the Conversations tab on the left menu to see this live. Conversations assigned to AI agents will show a green. You can click into a conversation to see how the AI agent is responding and even jump in manually if needed. That's all you need to do to set up a journey that assigns conversations to an AI agent on Chatzy. This setup allows your business to respond instantly, qualify leads automatically, and offer 24/7 support, all with the power of AI. You can experiment with more advanced triggers and agent combinations as your use case grows. Thanks for following along, and see you in the next tutorial.